What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. A couple of days ago I did a video showing you guys how I use Pattern Beauty products on my fine low porosity hair for the first time. I'll leave that video in the cards for you guys to check out. I did my hair back up after I did my twist out and just wanted to show you guys how the hair is looking a few days later. I used the Pattern leave-in conditioner and styling cream and also a little bit of the gel in front. I wanted to mention to you all that I noticed that my hair had a little bit of flaking in the front where I'd laid my edges from using the gel. So I don't know if I used too much, but I did want to mention that to y'all just in case if you were interested in getting the gel. But yeah, I want to take down my hair just to show you guys how it's looking after a few days, how my hair is feeling, and just wanting to take my hair down with y'all again. So I'm going to use a little bit of my new oil from the Garden of Bloom. This is the 𝐬𝐸 Fenugreek Serum. So this is one of the new items that I have available on my website. It's a castor and sunflower oil infused with 𝐬𝐸, fenugreek, brahmi, ginger, and other goodies. So if you are interested in checking this out, this is an 8-ounce bottle and I also have 4 ounces available as well. I'll leave a link to my website down in the description if you're interested. So I'm going to take a little bit of this oil and apply it to my fingertips and then take down my twist. Before I twisted my hair, I also oiled my scalp with this oil. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the oil, add it to my fingertips so that I can take down these twists. So I do have a video on my channel showing y'all how I like to preserve my twist outs. I'll also leave that in the cards for y'all to check out. But usually if I want my twist to last a few more days, I just make sure to twist it at night. And then whenever I want to take my hair down, I just take it down, you know, the way I'm doing right now. I find that when I twist my hair this way, I get good definition still and I'm able to have my twist out last a good amount of time. Look at that. So far, my hair feels really good still. It doesn't feel dry at all. And I'm excited to see how it's looking after taking these twists down. This is how the twists are looking after unraveling, y'all. Look at the shine and definition still. This is a few days later after I initially applied products to my hair and it still looks good and it still feels really good. I'm just going to separate my hair a little bit more so I can get some volume and hopefully I don't lose too much of this definition. There's still a lot of definition in my hair. It's still moisturized and has shine. Wow. So I'm also going to change my shirt because I don't like the way it's coming off camera right now. I haven't refreshed my hair with water. I haven't added any styling creams or anything like that. The only thing that I did was add some of my 𝐬𝐸 fenugreek oil to my scalp and then a little bit on my fingers. But even before that, my hair still was feeling good. So for my update using these products a couple of days later, my hair feels good. My hair feels good. So I'm going to change my shirt and then I'll be right back. So I just got done separating my hair and fluffed and also picked a little bit, and this is what my hair is looking like. The only thing I'm noticing, I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. But the only thing I'm noticing is that I do have a little bit of flakes from where I laid my edges from using the gel. So I would say if you are interested in using the gel, maybe don't use a lot of it, even though I don't think I use a lot of the gel, but just be mindful of that because it is flaking a little bit, but it's not, I mean, I don't know. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? Like, this is, I'm trying to I'm trying to make it so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can see a little bit of the white over here, and this is where I added the gel at the end. I'm noticing that there's some white stuff over here. So other than that, I still really like this Twistout. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and update y'all on these products, my thoughts on them, and also to show y'all how my hair is looking a couple of days later. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little update on Pattern Beauty, the styling products, and also how my hair is looking a couple of days after installing my twist. Don't forget to check out my website, thegardenofbloom.com, if you are interested in purchasing my new oils and other goodies. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.